Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 13 Neo, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and right here we have to find the security section. So let's tap on it. Here, let's scroll down to find encryption and credentials, and as you can see, almost at the very bottom of this section we've got the clear credentials option, so simply tap on it. Now let's confirm it with OK, and be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So let me do it, and as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. What's more, this option clear credentials is not available right now, which is another evidence that we just successfully removed all of the certificates. So basically that's all. This is how to remove credentials in your Motorola Edge 13 Neo. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.